Lottery tickets. You can buy them right from your phone or laptop, which is a pretty convenient option these days. But if you want to do it, be warned. An Ontario man says he got dinged by some pretty hefty bank fees and didn't realize it until he opened up his credit card statement.
Roughly $100 in total.
That's how much this CityNews viewer racked up in fees after using OLG's direct pay online payment option. We've altered his voice. He wishes to remain anonymous because he's worried that speaking out may impact his future relationships with other financial institutions. He says BMO Canada classified his transactions as cash advances, which carry with it additional fees and begin incurring interest immediately.
It was confusion and anger at the same time because why am I being charged in the first place for something that's being marketed as not having these fees associated with it?
It's true. OLG first introduced direct pay last November. The Provincial Lottery Corporation noting on its website that using direct pay may avoid cash advance fees. Except it didn't for BMO. A spokesperson for the bank tells CityNews that customers should be aware of their cardholder agreements. In it, lottery tickets are classified as cash-like transactions because they can be converted to cash. We reached out to the rest of Canada's Big Five banks to find out what their policies are. Only CIBC and RBC responded. They also pointed to a section of their cardholder agreements which outline the same. So why is OLG saying direct pay may avoid cash advance fees? Well, it's a bit tricky. OLG says this because if you use your credit card to fill up your e-wallet, that's considered a cash advance. The e-wallet holds money for future lottery purchases. But if you buy it directly using direct pay, really it's up to how the bank sees the transaction and up to you to find out before hitting purchase. In a statement to CityNews, an OLG spokesperson added, quote, OLG has been informed that the Bank of Montreal has changed its policies on these additional fees, which some customers using direct pay may have recently been charged. Customers are encouraged to contact their bank to request to have the charges reversed. Our viewer tells us that after we began asking questions, BMO got in touch with him and reversed all of the fees. Another important thing to note is that if you want to use your credit card to purchase lottery tickets, whether in person or online, check with your bank first. Most banks do consider this a cash-like transaction. In Toronto, Natividad, CityNews.